This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss the growth hack which Airbnb has implemented relation to Craigslist. So the secret here is Craigslist. Now Craigslist is a huge platform with lots of traffic where actually people can go ahead and list their rooms or apartments and so on. Now what Airbnb did, just thinking outside the box, nothing to do with like really just a small little technique or just a small little growth hack, I would say. They actually even got into the submission process of Craigslist. Now, even without an API is application programming interface. It is a technical term, but if you're not technical, so you don't need to worry about it. We just focusing on the growth hacking or the hack which they have discovered. Now, what they did, the Airbnb team figured out a way to hack the Craigslist submission process. Now, let us see how actually that happened. I have in the other slide, I will show you what happened during that process. Now, on Craigslist is post to Craigslist. That's the very first step. Once you post to Craigslist, you will obviously have to fill in these details about the room or the apartment you want to rent. And what happens in the third, once you do that, you will actually have a notification and from Airbnb.com says that it's some message saying that you need to be seeing this warning and you need to keep continuing doing that. Okay. Once you do click OK, you can see this whatever information you have filled during that initial process of filling the form, that has been listed here, and that's how the listed goes on. Now the growth hacking hack in this here is you can see it has a result of due to which they have drove more bookings. I'm talking about hundreds and thousands of bookings. And as we have discussed in the last video, there was a stage when they started off and the scaling was one problem. During that stage, they have actually implemented this growth hack and they have skyrocketed their revenue at that stage so that they can get funding and so on. So Airbnb and Craigslist has a very deep link of their success, what we see now. All right. So as a business owner or as even a student or a professional digital marketer, it is something that I want to actually focus on one thing, that growth hacking is to do with thinking outside the box. Now you might be in different business and you know the best of how the business runs. During that, if you know all these growth hacking techniques, what these big companies have implemented, it is for you, obviously it's become very easy, or it will give you an overview or a little bit of you can explore that how you can think from the normal activities or exercises you do relates to digital marketing, and how you can actually discover a growth hack for your own business. All right, so Airbnb and Craigslist, that's what it is. I will now see you in the next one. Very interesting case study number 2. Bye for now.